How to create and send custom Snapchat stickers. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Snapchat application on your device. If you want to create a custom sticker, then firstly select a picture that you want to send as sticker. Tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on Edit Snap. You will now see a scissor-like icon. Tap on that. Now outline the part of the image that you want to send as a sticker. I will select the entire picture. Once done, release your fingers from the screen and your sticker will be ready. To check the stickers you just made, tap on the stickers icon. Your stickers will be saved under the scissor tab. In order to send the sticker, you can simply send it as chat or send it in a snap too. To send as snap, you can take any sort of snap and then tap on the sticker icon and then on the scissor icon. You can see the sticker we just saved. Tap on that and with this you will be able to send custom Snapchat stickers. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.